fight tonight, man, yeah. After tonight, yeah, I would. Kimbo,
He got on the mic.
he's the big man.
Brett, you gotta speak up, man.
Speak
Speak up, Brett. Open your ears.
Kimbo's the big name, man, you know what I mean? And I mean, I'm looking at the fight today. I'm sure everybody saw the fight today. And it doesn't matter. A man is a man, and what I saw on this man today, you know, it was just garbage. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm gonna speak it real. It was garbage. You did tap out. I was right there. And I mean,
That sounds like a challenge, big dog.
That sounds like a challenge.
No. It sounds like a challenge, though. All right, set it up, G.
Easy, guys.
Set it up, man.
Sit down. Sit down.
come on, dog. Don't go there with that shit, man.
We'll get our chance in the cage. Don't worry about it. We'll get our chance in the cage. Don't worry about it. You sit down. We'll get our chance in the cage.
Everybody calm down.